Nigeria's university system is facing a growing crisis as the number of lecturers and non-academic staff leaving the institutions continues to rise. Lawmakers are warning that the trend, if not urgently addressed, could weaken the nation's higher education sector. During an oversight visit to universities in Southeast, members of the House of Representatives Committee on University Education expressed concern over what they describe as a dangerous wave of staff exodus from Nigerian universities.
What the honorable rep member said about exodus as a result of death and resignation, most especially not just retirement and death, the core is actually resignation of lecturers and both teaching and non-teaching because of the poor welfare. I know a couple of my colleagues who have left, as a result of this problem. You get most of them are at a point, they can't even feel their car to work, and it was really bad. Coming back from where you have almost like as a assistant lecturer, you earn more over there. You went for your a placement, a kind of a 6 months placement, and you find out that you are actually earning more. Not that you're actually a staff of the university, you are just an assistant to the lecturer involved, or you went to a fellowship. You find out what you are paid for a month is much more than what you are paid over here. So he actually made a lot of them to start considering leaving for a better, package to be able to help them actually sort their needs, and also majorly the one key important thing is to advance their career.
They observe that in some institutions, thousands of teaching and non-teaching staff have left the system since 2019 through retirement, resignation, or death. Yet, only a fraction of those positions have been replaced. The lawmakers noted that this widening gap in manpower is putting additional pressure on the remaining staff and could compromise academic standards, research output, and administrative efficiency across campuses.
Because of academics and non-academic staffs of the university or universities in general in Nigeria is not just tied to death, retirement, and any other and resignation, as they put it at the House, whether it has an assembly or Senate. The truth is that the lecturers in Nigeria are the least paid in the whole of West Africa. Let's not just go across Africa. We are the least paid, and if you take it with the 2009 agreement, lecturer salaries have remained stagnated for a long time. Not much has been done on it. And so when people now, or not just the lecturers, even the non-academics, the university the salary structures has not been adjusted towards the economic realities of the nation. So when people cannot afford to take care of themselves, they cannot afford to pay their bills, they will have to look for alternative things that can pay their bills.
They stress that for Nigerians to maintain quality education and global competitiveness, vacancies in universities must be filled promptly, and recruitment should reflect fairness and national balance in line with the federal character principle.
The yearning of the unions in the university, I'll tell you sincerely, they are genuine. I am one of them on the academic side. Very, very genuine. I won't want to go to it as a professor probably at the bar. I don't know any professor in Nigeria that earn more than 600,000 naira every month take home. Basic pay, whatever you call it. Very, very rare. And currently, you look at what does that money do.
The committee reaffirmed the National Assembly's commitment to strengthening the education sector, emphasizing that revitalizing university staffing remains a key step towards sustaining academic excellence in Nigeria. Sydney Okafor for Anchor News.